A single uneven fret can be a real bummer on an otherwise clean playing neck. This fret is seated well, but it's a hair higher than its neighbor and is causing the buzz we are hearing. This is the fret kisser. It's a tool for leveling high spots on frets. It's got 4 sides of different lengths, just like our fret rocker, but it's thicker and each side has a small patch of 300 grit diamond abrasive. It spans the frets on either side of the problem spot, while the diamonds go to work bringing the fret down level with the others. The long sides are for leveling frets 2 through 11, and the short sides are for frets 12 and up. With just a few passes, the high spot seems gone. I'm going to check it with my fret rocker to confirm what I'm seeing. Level. Now I just need to recrown and polish, and this one's good to go. And now the note rings clearly and without a buzz. Nice and clean.